Hi everyone, welcome back to a new guide video. In today's video, let's take a look at the way that you use the Proton mail encryption. Now, all of us know that Proton mail is encrypted, but how do we actually use the encryption? Now, there are two sections to this, or the main two types, which are automatic and password protected. The automatic encryption happens whenever you send a mail to a Proton mail user. So somebody that is using proton.me or proton.com email, all of those emails are automatically encrypted. But if you are sending an email to someone that is not a Proton user, who may be such as a Gmail user or an Outlook user, you need to add in a password protected email. So to do that, what you can do is click on this lock icon on the bottom. Now this lets you encrypt all of the emails that you send to non-Proton mail users. So just add in a password, whatever you'd like. And then you can also add in a hint if you want, but this is going to be optional. And then click on set encryption. This way, whenever you send this email, the other person receiving the email must enter in the password in order to go through the content of the email. So you need to provide the password as well to the other person that you are sending this email to. This way, all of your emails will be encrypted, even if you are sending emails to a non-Proton email user. So that is the exact way that you use the Proton mail encryption. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll be back soon with more.